And that's the start for race number 149, heat number 2 of the women's K1 junior event. And again, 9 boats on the course here. My working theory yesterday was yellow was the fastest color. We'll see if that holds true today. At the moment, the yellow boat is in the lead. But perhaps not for long. That yellow boat is Katie Hill from Gig Harbor, but Katie McKeever, also from Gig Harbor, is giving her a run for the money. So it's a yellow out front, the number 6 boat, Katie McKeever in second. And lane 4, Hannah Jackson from Lake Lanier in Georgia, coming in third. So again, it's a 5-6-4 finish.